Hi! In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings. In them, scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Following that, click on Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Revert. Then select Theme section, scroll all the way down and choose Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. When you're ready, click on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And save your theme by tapping on Apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it though, go into the same settings and tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply, in my case this one. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then tap on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right on this slider. Click on Done. Manage key borders and tap on Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!